Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new GoPro. I'm Jess, I love all things fitness, healthy lifestyle, and activewear. If you like those things too, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So I just bought a GoPro. It was kind of spur of the moment. I've been interested in one for a while and I finally just went for it. They had a really great deal on their website. So I have it in the box. It actually arrived a few days ago, but I love a good unboxing, so I haven't opened it yet. So let's see. All right. Here it is, the Hero 9. I got a special bundle. It was $300 plus $50 for 1 year of their cloud service, which I really wanted. One reason I haven't gotten a real camera is it freaks me out. The whole SD card, memory card thing really freaks me out because I've heard so many people losing their footage that way. So I really wanted the cloud service so that I don't even have to deal with it. It'll just go right to the cloud and then I know that it's safe. So I got the Hero 9, it's the newest one. It got really awesome reviews. One thing, when I use my phone, I have issues with like stability. Like when I'm hiking, you'll probably notice that my hiking vlogs, there's movement. So I'm thinking for stuff like that, this will be awesome. I've also been running a lot and I thought this would be really cool to take on my runs. I was very inspired by CL Furlong. He obviously goes on runs and gets a lot of footage doing that. And now that I'm marathon training, I thought it would be fun to have a GoPro so that I could get footage on my runs, but maybe not like be messing with my phone. I do use my phone for like tracking my run and stuff and my music and everything. So I thought it'd be really cool to have a separate device. So the bundle has a few different things in it. There's like a hand holder part of the bundle. This is the SD card and it comes with 2 batteries, which is nice. So you can always have an extra one charged. This is just so cool. It says it's live streams in 1080p and it films in 5K and 4K. And it is waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters. So let me know down below if you want an update once I get using it. Let me know what kind of questions you have, and I will definitely do a more in-depth review down the line once I've actually gotten to try it out. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the update, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day, stay positive, bye!